what's up people, welcome back to MP World. And after so long time I'm making another video which is on activation your MacBook. So this is MacBook here, the M5, the latest one, and this MacBook is not activated now because somebody maybe lost it and they put it in lost mode. So now I will show you how to reactivate your MacBook. So after opening the MacBook here, this page will come. Now we have to select, we have to click on this, and you have to enter your password. This password would be your general MacBook unlocking password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now basically it will take maybe 2 or 3 minutes like this, and very easy to reactivate your MacBook. And now it's showing restart your MacBook. Now hit on the restart button. Okay, now you see our MacBook is now showing the general page. Now again you have to enter your MacBook password. You see, it's very easy and simple. I hope this method worked as well in your MacBook. So I will see you with another electrical video. Till then, stay happy. Thank you.